We got a VW Vr6 engine, 3.2. We're gonna look at the serpentine belt, the accessory drive belt. Basically, it just goes under the water pump and under this idler, and it goes around everything else. So we're gonna take our 16mm wrench, loosen the tensioner, go ahead and just pop it off the water pump. It naturally wants to come off that small idler, so just let it come off. Now we're going to take the entire belt off. And would you look at that, this harmonic balancer has a bell on it, so we got to kind of wiggle it out sideways, and the rest of it comes off really easy. Now we're going to put it back on. Okay, let's say you got your new belt. First, you're going to tuck it around the balancer, the crankshaft pulley, and we're just going to route it over pretty much everything. The water pump is up here, so we can just go ahead and tuck it up around the water pump, and for now just put it over the alternator, something like that. We're going to pull it from the top. Now that we're on the top, put it over your tensioner. Now the thing is, we need to pull the slack in between this tensioner pulley and that slick idler pulley. So you're just going to grab the slack like this and get it as close as you can. You see how it's falling off the bottom here? Put it back on the bottom, come back up to the top, grab the slack, now let's see if we can't just slide it over the groove pulley. For this, we're going to want a deep 16 so that we can get the belt just high enough over the nut, and then slide the socket over the nut. Now we're going to get our tension, and then we're going to slide our belt back over the pulley. And before you release, notice I'm about to fall off of that pulley. So we're going to come back down here and just tap that one back on and release. We're almost good to go. We're just off a little bit because I released too soon. One more time, and it bumped itself back on. And that's how you replace a VW Vr6 serpentine belt.